What's up, y'all? So today's video is going to be a collaboration with startree. They was nice enough to send your girl over a bag for me to review. So if you ladies or guys are boiling on a budget, bougie on a budget, this is the right video for you. So if you want to see what they sent me, stay tuned. So the package did come via FedEx, and as always, it is so hard to unpack. Okay, so the bag is in this regular old box that's taped pretty well. I think I should have got a scissor before I sat down. So, go ahead, open it up. Whew. Alright, so I'm just going to rip this box. Feels like Christmas. And I'm so glad they sent me this bag because my birthday is coming up and I'm gonna rock this bag, y'all. I don't care if it's a replica or not. I'm gonna rock this bag. Period. So the bag do come in some bubble wrap. I'm gonna try my best not to pop too much of this because my kids love popping these things. And this stuff, I don't know if they're gonna be able to use it. Oh my god, it is a Chanel bag. A Chanel bag. Y'all, it really do feel like Christmas. Thumbnail. So, upon looking at the box is in really good condition. It's very smooth. It don't have a smell to it. It's very, very smooth. I like this box. This box is good quality. Oh my god, I'm so amazed on how this box is. Okay, so it is a magnetic closure, so that's a good thing. So when you open the box, this is how the inside of the box look. Y'all, as you can tell, this is my first time seeing this bag, unboxing this bag. So the bag do come in a plastic bag like this. Inside the box, you do have the Chanel bag, just in case you guys want to give somebody this bag. This is how the shopping bag look. It do come with the Chanel ribbon. That's really good. It's sturdy, so that is a plus. It comes with a company card. Oh, and it comes with the Chanel flower. And this is like a receipt. So that's what's in this. Yeah. I love how this is packaged so far. I'm going to go ahead and take the dust bag out this plastic bag. Okay. So this is how the dust bag looks. The dust bag do have like a tie, so you could pull it, and it's like a drawstring, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna take this tape little thing off right there, and it do say Chanel. So now the dust bag, it do feel like it's very good quality. It feels very sturdy, very strong. Cause you know when you get designer bags, normally they dust bag is very sturdy. So that's what I'm checking for. Is like the sturdiness of the bag. The dust bag don't feel cheap. I feel like it's really good quality, and it do say Chanel. Chanel is spelled right. Sometimes y'all, you could buy stuff, replicas, items, and the name don't even be spelled right, but Chanel is spelled right on the bag. The bag came in this plastic bag. This plastic bag came in this dust bag. So I definitely give this company a A+ for their packaging, because they definitely make sure your bag is protected. So this is the bag. She is so pretty. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, and it smells so good. She is so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all the wrapping and everything off the bag and let you guys know more about the bag. The last bag unboxing that I did have a very hard time taking off the covering, the protective covering that was on the hardware of the bag. So I'm really glad that this did not take too long to come off. For the chain part, it is very protected. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Y'all, I should have had some scissors, but I was just so happy to do this video. So the chain is all wrapped up. Oh, child. Oh, alright. It didn't take much for this to come off. I like when companies put a lot of effort into their packaging. I like stuff like that. I'm a sucker for packaging. I really am. So the bag do come with a little tag, and it do say Chanel. It has a QR code. I'm actually gonna scan this QR code and actually see what pops up. Okay, so when you scan this QR code, it just pretty much take you to like a Google page. I think it would have been more better if you was able to scan this QR code and it actually takes you to the website where you could purchase this bag. But nevertheless, that's not a big issue for me, because I could always go on the website and just browse on their website. So this particular bag is the Chanel Classic Flat Bag, and it's also in the size small, and it's in the black color with the silver hardware. You do have these long straps, and you can also adjust the strap like that if you want the bag to be a little bit longer on your shoulder. I am most likely going to be wearing the bag like so. The back of the bag do have this pocket. I feel like this is a fairly decent size pocket. Honestly, I wouldn't even put anything in this back pocket because I do not want my bag to protrude out, and I actually want to keep the shape of the bag. So I could probably fit like my Metro card or like my ID, or maybe like a little small card holder can actually go in this back pocket. But as far as like my phone, let me try. Yeah, I can't even fit my phone in this. When you get your bag, you just twist this little knob right here and you just open up the bag. So this pocket right here is really like literally a small pocket. Oh wow, the zippers are covered with this little piece. And I'm just gonna open this little flap right here. You see the little Chanel logo right there. Around this hardware, it do says Chanel around there. On the inside of the bag, you do this little bubble thing. And it also says Chanel right there, made in France. In the inside of the bag, it did come with some silica packet, as well as like a Chanel authenticity card. And that's just look like this. Anytime you buy a designer bag, it comes with these little cards. I do like the inside. You do have pockets. And these are not fake pockets. You do have a pocket here, as well as a little small pocket in the middle where you could probably fit like a chapstick or a small bottle of lip gloss in there. And you also have some more space right here in this little compartment you could put stuff in. I feel like this bag is a really cute, classy, sexy bag. Like, you could wear this bag like dressed up. You could wear this bag dressed down. It's so many ways you can pretty much wear this bag. And nowadays, who want to spend a whole bunch of money for a bag? Not me. Not me. The size of the bag is 25.5 centimeters. So one thing I like about the hardware of the bag, the hardware is amazing. Like, it don't look cheap. It looks like it's really good quality, which I actually like. Even the chain of the bag, y'all, it don't feel cheap at all. It got a little weight to it, which I actually like, but I can tell that they put a lot of time making this bag. Like, the bag overall, you can't even tell that this is a replica. This bag it just has so much good quality. Not to throw shade, but compared to the last bag that I got, this bag is a 10 out of 10. Like, period. Like, it's a 10 out of 10. Definitely a 10 out of 10. The texture of the bag is just so smooth. I don't know if the bag is just, I don't know how the bag is picking up on camera. I won't even know until I edit this video. But even in person, the bag just screams good quality. Like, it's not cheap at all. Like, nobody is going to know that it's a replica. Nobody is going to know. How are they going to know? Nobody is going to know. They're not. Unless you open. The only way they're going to know is unless you open up your big mouth. But other than that, nobody is going to know it's a replica. I don't know if you guys could see that, but on the inside of the bag, it has another hardware. And it do have like the Chanel symbol. And it do says Chanel. This one didn't come with any sticky tape or anything on it. But y'all, I do like this bag. I cannot wait to wear it. And when you press down, it actually stays shut. It actually stays shut, which I actually like. So, y'all, I am 5'3". Okay, don't mind my sweatpants, okay? So, y'all, I'm 5'3". So, this is how the bag looks on my shoulder. If I wear it like this, this is exactly how I'm going to wear this bag. And it comes down. That's where it stops at. If I wear it longer with the longer strap, I feel like a crossbody, if it was worn as a crossbody, I feel like it looks weird. I'll be definitely wearing this bag. Definitely like this. Now, you guys know I cannot be stingy. I will make sure to leave all the links down below in the description box. And I also have a coupon code. So when you go ahead and make any purchase on their website, you can use the code DIVINE and get 25% off your purchase. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of this cute Chanel bag. And if you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn your post notifications, because when your sis drop another Bougie on a Budget video, you guys won't miss it. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. We bougie on a budget. We bougie on a budget.